Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos using the app Founto, which is a free app that you get in your app store. I use it for all my thumbnails, which is easy and kind of basic, but if you want to give more of a look, you can take it to Snapseed and give the final edit. So when you click onto Founto from your home screen, this is where it's going to take you. And here you can see a camera icon at the very bottom, which is circled in red. That is where you have to click to start your project. So this is the free version that I'm using. It also has a paid version. However, this is good enough to make decent thumbnails for your channel. So I use the free features that is available with this version, and which is great. So next you get to this screen. The camera icon just pulls up this drop down menu where you can see cameras, photo album, plain images, and I usually use the plain images to start my work. You could also try the other options and see what happens. Once you choose plain images, it will take you to a list of templates. Some of them are unlocked and some of them are locked, so we use the unlocked ones. So I usually choose either black or white, so today I'm using the black one. So once you choose the design of your template, now you have to choose the size of your template. For that, you go on the very top, you can see the size. Click onto that. That will bring you to another screen with different sizes. It's very important that you choose the right size for your YouTube thumbnail, or it may not fit the screen. So the right size for your YouTube thumbnail is that of a Facebook. So you scroll down to Facebook. Here you can see different templates, different sizes. For example, the template for Twitter is much narrower. So choose the Facebook template and move on to the next level. So in order to use the template, first you have to download. So you can see the download button on the very top, which is circled in red. So just click onto that, which will now pull up a menu. As you can see, where you choose the use one, so you can start working on that with this template. Also, you can save the template. Well, I usually use the use button each time. Now that our template is ready to use, now we need our images. For that, you go to the hamburger menu, which you can see at the very bottom, which is also circled in red. Just click onto that. So you can see a menu pops up with different options. What we need is our image that we want to use for the thumbnail. So click on to add image. This will take you to your photos, where you can choose the folder where you have your picture. I use a lot of recipe videos, so I have a folder called food where I have the pictures of different recipes that I use for thumbnails. So click onto the folder that you want to open, and which will take you to the pictures, and choose the best picture for your thumbnail because it is going to grab the attention of your audience in your niche. So here I'm going to use just a random image for our project. Here I'm going to choose one of these and just click onto that, which will take you to a page where you can crop the image to any size. Like you can make it square or rectangle or circle or heart shape or whatever you want. Here I'm going to make it a rectangle shape because it's going to fit my Facebook template better and make it full. So click done once you are done resizing your image, which will take the image to the template that we chose. Now you can move this image using the up and down keys. You can center it horizontally and vertically by pressing onto this arrow keys. So once you center, it's easy to resize Now click onto the size and drag the size button. It will increase the size. Now you can see it fully covered the screen, fully covered the layout, but a little bit is empty on either side. So to just fill it up, you can go to the width and just press the plus sign until it's fully covered. And it's up to you how you want to resize your image. Now we are going to add text. So you click on to add text, you go outside and click on the screen and you get the add text button. Click on that and you can add text. You can change the font, you can add symbol, use your imagination. So I'm just using this font and just click done. So the text appears. Place it wherever you want. As you can see, it's kind of blending in. So I want it to pop a little, so I'm going to style. So press style and go to the style, and just you can change the alpha and also the width, so it gives kind of a darker border to the text. You could also change the color of the border and also the text. So now you can see it's very clear. I can see it very clearly. I give the border and it kind of pops on the image. Also you can change the shadows, how you want the text to look like. So you could use your imagination to play, or you can just play around and see what style you like. I like to give a little watermark on my thumbnail. For that, again, I go to the hamburger menu and click on to add image. And repeat the same thing that you did before. Click onto the folder where you have your image. Adding watermark can help your subscribers find your videos from their list. Now choose the image for your watermark, your channel image, and click onto it and drag it and place wherever you want it to appear. So once you position that, you can change the transparency by clicking onto alpha, dragging back and forth. Once you are satisfied with the look of your thumbnail, you can save it by pressing the download button at the very bottom. It will take you to a page where you can save image as PNG, which will save the image in your photo album. Also, you can click on to save project and save the project in your Phonto itself, where you can, if you want to make changes later on, you could just do it in Phonto. Now you go to your album and you can see the image right there. Just click onto that. You see the image that you just created. Now you can use this image as your thumbnail and upload from your iPhone when you're uploading your new video. I hope this has been helpful, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also press the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.